Hi friends, Mrs. E here. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Declaration of Independence. The Declaration of Independence was written in 1776. It was actually approved or ratified July 4th, 1776. That is why we celebrate our independence on the 4th of July, Independence Day. The Declaration of Independence is for that reason we gained our independence or proclaimed our independence to Great Britain. The very most important document maybe of all of American history. As you have read on Ducksters and in your Declaration of Independence scavenger hunt, the Declaration of Independence was written primarily by Thomas Jefferson. It was actually a work of the Continental Congress, those delegates, those big, important guys that were, trying to figure out how to solve the British problem. Their idea to write this declaration, this proclamation, this, we're standing up for our freedom document to King George of Britain to say that we, the American colonists, would no longer be part of the British Empire and that we are going to fight for our freedom. Now, that is what is most important to know about the Declaration of Independence. Now, I'm going to read the first couple lines of the Declaration of Independence to you, just to kind of stress the importance of what it says. So it begins with a statement. The unanimous, which means everybody, Declaration of the 13 United States of America, when in the course of human events. In other words, when in life, when in history, when in our time things happen, it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands which have connected them with another, and to assume among the powers of the earth the separate and equal station to which the laws of nature and of nature's God entitle them. A decent respect to the opinions of mankind requires that they should declare the causes which impel them to the separation. In other words, Britain, we don't want to be a part of your empire any longer, but out of respect to you, we're going to tell you why. He goes on, the declaration goes on to say that we hold these truths to be self-evident, meaning they're obvious. These are truths that every human being should know. And those truths are that all men are created equal, and that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, which means these are rights that can't be taken away from you. You were given these rights by God. And what are those rights? You have three. You have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That is to secure these rights. Governments are instituted among men, deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed. The government is going to institute powers based on what the people want. This is a pretty great idea, and it is first written here in the Declaration of Independence. Now, there's lots of really important stuff in the Declaration, but I think that pretty much sums up what we need to know about it, that the Declaration of Independence was just that, a declaration of the American colonies' separation from Britain and their assertion of independence. So that concludes the video of the Declaration of Independence. Stay tuned for more videos. See you soon, friends.